A native of the Gambia living in the USA is giving back to his home country, with hospitals across the nation receiving a generous donation of medical supplies. Philanthropist Mahamadou Waggeh recently provided essential items like pads and gowns to Kanifing General Hospital, Sukuta Health Center, Fajikunda Health Center and Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital. This is not Mr. Waggeh's first donation, highlighting a continued effort to support the Gambian health sector from abroad. The donated items, including sanitary pads and disposable gowns, are crucial for hospitals' operations and patient care. Sanitary pads are a basic necessity for female patients, ensuring their comfort, dignity and hygiene during their hospital stay. The Public Relations Officer of the Kanifing General Hospital, Omar F. Jammeh, discussed the importance of supporting the health sector with such necessities.
If you have a business and the little profit that you have out of that business, you think of health sector, it's a good gesture. And because the patients that are going to benefit from this can be my family, your family, anybody's family. So indeed, it's a worthwhile venture, and we recommend that the CEO has a very good foresight to think about the population at large. So obviously, we encourage him to continue supporting the health sector.
Lamin Jata, a midwife at the Kanifing General Hospital, highlighted some of the things Mr. Waggeh has been donating to hospitals and also mentioned that he is working towards partnering with Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital.
Things he normally do for the facilities is he normally supply drugs, also food items for pregnant women and the under 5. He also supplies some working materials, blood pressure machine, blood sugar machine, and other items needed. And we also try a similar networking to happen here between him and Edward Francis Teaching Hospital, because it's the main facilities. Whereas we all work and we feel, we normally think of here. So equipping Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, which means you are equipping the entire health system.
The Chief Medical Director of Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, Dr. Mustafa Biti, expressed his appreciation for Mr. Waggeh's wonderful gesture.
We appreciate it. So we rest assured, for us, this hospital, whatever you give us, we put it in good use. That's why I want Samba to be here. He's very strict. He makes sure that there is always a system. Whatever you bring, he makes sure it follows good due procedure. So you can come back later and ask where it is. He can tell you exactly where it is or who used it. So be rest assured, and anybody who supports us, we say thank you. And we look forward to more of this and more collaboration, inshallah. Thank you.
Mariama Mane, a representative from Sukuta Health Center, expressed her heartfelt gratitude and urged all Gambians to follow Mr. Waggeh's footsteps in supporting hospitals.
Go for a long way. In health sector, we cannot do all, but this one is just an example, and I'm urging all Gambians to follow Mr. Waggeh. So we cannot say much about Mr. Waggeh, just to say thank you. And we are so happy in receiving this item on behalf of the Sukuta Health Center from the OIC up to the last person. And
Kismat Tambedu, an uncle to the donor, expressed his gratitude for his nephew's generosity, urging philanthropists to continue supporting the healthcare sector in any way they can. He also thanked the nurses and doctors who work tirelessly in the hospital, noting that the government cannot handle it all alone.
Wole fisata kake kudolti de ku kontila ka foko nyinam bare mbe alone membe keri.
Thank you to the nurses and doctors. May Allah reward you all. We all know anybody that survive in this country knows about hospital, whether you are admitted or not. Your mother been admitted or not, but one thing for sure is anytime you go to the hospital, you will find these resident nurses and doctors working day and night. Definitely we should try to respect, support them in any way we could.
The
availability of these materials can significantly reduce the risks of infection and provide a sense of normalcy in a stressful environment. Similarly, disposable gowns are vital for both patients and medical staff. They help maintain a sterile and hygienic environment, preventing the spread of infections. For patients, gowns provide a sense of privacy and comfort. For hospital staff, they act as a protective barrier, especially when dealing with various medical procedures. This kind of support is invaluable, and the impact of these donations extends beyond the immediate relief, they provide, helping to improve the overall quality of care and safety for both patient and healthcare workers. For Star TV News.